What's going on, guys? Troy at Mountain Man Treasure. Time to check out Aaron's thrift store. See what we can find to flip.
Mountain Man.
Treasures.
You know I love hats. Let's see what we can find here. Local hats so far. There's a Pokemon, but I don't know. It's a youth size. There might be something there. Car stuff does tend to do pretty well. And it came out of the Disney parks for $1. I think I'll grab that. Oh, that's different. National Scrabble Championship. Look that up. Let's look at jackets are selling right now. Let's start. That's an old one. It's like an old satin. Professional gas service. Interesting. There's a Woolrich, but it's not great stained. I've sold some Remy. It's slow, but I've done well on it, on some pieces. It's old vintage leather jackets. I don't love this one, but you can do well on those. Nothing super exciting here. That one's cool. Little kid stuff here, though. I'll find something. I always find something. Some basic Chucks. 10, 15 bucks. Oh, look at that. Airwalks. Chuck lookalike.
Have a safe trip home, or wherever you're off to next, right? One more week, so I'll make you go home. Nice, that would be nice. Nice. Thank you. See you, brother.
How you doing? Hiding from work? I like it. These things, guys, let me pull this down. These things actually can be worth some money. But thing is, they're usually missing the ears. There's a little plastic rubber ear. Goes on that side, probably missing. Yeah, it's missing over here too. So I don't want to pick it up just because it doesn't have the ears, but keep an eye out for these. So out of the plush, we're gonna grab this guy. This is a Gundalion from 1988. Also found this guy, the Aflac duck. Neither big ticket, but not bad. Little filler. Still looking through here. This looks like a Seuss thing, right? Dr. Seuss. But it's Kohl's Cares. I don't have very good luck with the Kohl's plush.
I love you, you love me.
We gotta get him.
We're a happy family with a great big hug. I love.
Look at that. He can.
Yeah, they're funny, those plushes. After I seen you sell that Garfield one, though, I'm like, damn you.
They're not all that good.
Oh, I know.
Wow. How did that turn on? Where was that? I don't know if you guys caught that.
Thank you. Elmo has to go potty.
Potty training Elmo.
Can you help Elmo go to the potty?
I ought to send that one to my man Joey Bada Bing.
Please help Elmo sit on the potty. Elmo really has to go potty. Can you please help Elmo?
There you go, buddy.
Please help Elmo sit on the potty.
So here's what we got at Aaron's store filler. This wound up being a little store filler trip. We paid $7.50 for everything. He gave us a little bit of a deal. This guy, I actually probably shouldn't have got this guy. I didn't realize it was a tie. You know, the whole Beanie Baby thing. This isn't a Beanie Baby. It's a Beanie Buddy. I actually just saw the date on it, and I had some others and thought, oh, yeah, I'll grab that too. It's 1998. Like I said, probably shouldn't have bought him, but he might sell for $5 or $6 plus shipping. It'll take a while, but that's fine. Maybe we'll end up selling him at a garage sale. I don't know. Then we've got this guy. This guy is a Gund. He's from 1988. And this guy will probably go for about $10. This is one of the neater finds. This actually has a really solid sell-through rate. This is the Aflac duck. This is like a little baby Aflac duck, and he's fishing. They have him in different stuff. And this actually came from Cancer and Blood Disorders Center, Children's Healthcare of Atlanta. So I'm not sure what the story is with this little guy, but he ought to sell for about $9 or $10 plus shipping. They do pretty well. This guy is Somersaults by Avon. I think this is Chubby Charlie Barley. They have a pair. They have various stuff. This sells okay. Again, maybe $8, $9, $10 plus shipping. And then, of course, we have our buddy Barney. I got another one of these to list. I'll probably list them at the same time. This one is smaller. I have a larger one, but there you go. He sings. He still works. There's no tag on him, so I can't date him other than to look him up. Maybe if we look in here in his guts, he has a tag. Oh, great. Now he's, yeah, there's not one in there, but I can turn him off. I don't know what he's worth, but vintage Barney stuff does, believe it or not, sell. So we grabbed him. This has a very good sell-through rate, not very high, but it sells very, very well. Remember, we paid $7.50 for everything. I ought to be able to get about $10 plus shipping for this. This is the Eagles Farewell Tour live from Melbourne, and it's in very, very nice condition. So we ought to be able to get about $10 plus shipping out of that very, very quickly. Then we picked up this. This is from Cars Land. It says right there, Cars Land in the Disney parks. It needs to be run through the wash, but there's nothing on here that appears like it's stained. It's just a little bit dirty and not even that bad. It's pretty, you could probably sell it like this, but I like to run my hats through. So Cars stuff sells very well. And this one ought to sell. It's a cool design. It says on the back, 1 winner, 42 losers, and it's got the Disney park. So keep an eye out for Disney parks tags. That means that it was bought in Disney parks, and very often these are exclusives, and you can't buy them elsewhere. So that ought to sell. Along with the rest of it, we're on a theme, $9 or $10 plus shipping. And then this, I have no idea. A quick look. I didn't find any listed on eBay. I might look on Terapeak. I might look online. I just picked it up because it was weird. It was different. The National Scrabble Championship from Orlando, 2008. Pretty, you know, I mean, it's different, certainly a niche, but Scrabble players are serious. If somebody was at that thing in 2008, they might want to pick this up. This might actually be the best pickup of the day. It could be worth something, or it could be worth $10 plus shipping. So there you go. You know, not all trips are home runs, but this one is solid. I'm happy with it. We spent $7.50, and we should make, let me add them up as we go here, 5, maybe 15, 25, call it 30, 40, 50, 60. We have at least 60, 70 bucks. 10 times our money. That's a good trip into the thrift store. Thanks for stopping by, guys. I appreciate it. See you next time. Bye.